Yes, my people. So I had a comment on one of my other videos about how I would make money as an 18-year-old. So I am no longer 18. I am a long way removed from 18. But I'll talk to you about what I would do if I was an 18-year-old in 2025 to make money. First things first, I would learn how to sell. I would not go to uni. And that's just my personal opinion. Don't shoot me down. Obviously, as you can see, I went to uni, but it wasn't really my choice. Well, it was my choice, but I didn't really want to go, but I did. I wouldn't go uni. This is my personal opinion. I would look at, and also this is based on personality type and lifestyle. For me, the educational system trains you how to be a good employee. Not everything, but for the most part. So I knew from quite early that I was never going to be a good employee because I'm very rebellious. I argue a lot. I don't take orders very well. Because I knew that, I was just like, I'm not going to be able to last in a workplace anyway. I couldn't do the 9 to 5. I couldn't do corporate. Me, I'll be fighting a manager. So I'm just giving you my perspective. I wouldn't go to uni. I would learn how to sell stuff because selling is the most powerful skill and the most monetizable skill you can have. So I would really get into I'd really get into sales, high ticket sales, face-to-face sales, door-to-door sales. I would just cut my teeth in as much sales as possible because on sales, you live off the commission. So you don't have to do no delivery work. You just have to sell some shit. And the more you can sell, you could get into luxury sales like houses, boats, especially if you live in a hot country where they actually sell boats, selling high value properties in cities like London, Manchester, like getting like big places and living off the commissions. So I would learn how to sell. From there, I would also learn a skill. So I would learn a skill like copywriting, something digital like prompt engineering, like AI. I would probably learn something like around digital marketing, like creating landing pages or creating chatbots. Or how to run ads. Because once you've got a skill that someone else needs, then you can actually build something. Okay, whether you know how to run ads for e-commerce or something like that. So that's probably what I would do now as an 18-year-old. So I would learn how to run. I'd probably go with ads because knowing how to run ads is like every company needs it. They need people that know how to do marketing and ads. Or if you're good with cameras and digital, maybe you've got a digital marketing skill in the sense of videography, photography. Businesses pay big bucks for content marketing. Okay, so that would be like the first step. Or my next step, basically. And then from there, obviously, you might not make money straight away from learning sales at 18 years old. So you do need something that you can make money with on your day-to-day life. And you're probably going to think, Jav, are you crazy? But I'm actually going to say, you just need to get a job. Go get a job. Go, deliver for Amazon or work in a gym, be a receptionist. Get something to get the money coming in and then start posting content about this new skill you have, whether it's sales, Facebook ads, whatever it is. I'm not even joking. I would do that because now you're starting to build an audience. You've got a skill and you're going to start to monetize that skill eventually, but you also need money. So you should just get a normal job. I'm not even joking because guess what happens? Everyone that goes uni, they come out of uni and they have to go get a job anyway. So just get a job, do it at 18 and then start learning the skills. And then from there, you're going to start posting content. You're already learning how to do sales. You start looking for sales jobs. So then once you get a sales job, you can quit your current job and just go hard with sales for a year or two. And then when you're 20, 21, you've got a bit more experience and you know what you like. Then you either build something of your own, some type of service where you can literally help somebody. Or if you really like sales, try and get closer to selling something of higher value so your commissions are bigger. Because once you learn the skill of sales, it's transferable. And honestly, this video is super short because if I was 18 and I wanted to make money, that's what I would do. Peace.